A boat carrying 81 Rohingya refugees, mostly women and children, landed ashore on an uninhabited island in Indonesia on Friday, June 4th. The refugees embarked on a journey that lasted months from their cramped refugee camps in Bangladesh, next to their native country of Myanmar.
Laporan sekitar pukul 07 tadi pagi ada yang diduga warga Rohingya terdampar di salah satu pulau di Kecamatan Simpang Ulim. Langkah-langkah yang kita lakukan, baik itu dari gugus tugas, dari unsur kepolisian maupun TNI, pemerintah daerah, kita sudah melakukan pemeriksaan kesehatan terhadap mereka, memberikan bantuan baik berupa makan maupun pakaian dari warga setempat juga.
This was the latest arrival of the Rohingya, a persecuted Muslim minority seeking refuge. A small wooden boat was discovered early Friday morning on the tiny Pulau Idaman Island, located off the coast of northern Sumatra. The refugees had hoped to land in Malaysia, where more than 100,000 Rohingya live as registered refugees, although they are not permitted to work. Living on the margins of society, they are forced into illegal construction and other low-paying jobs. One of the refugees disclosed that they stopped at the island because their boat got damaged.
Kita pun mia kisi itu surah lusa surah patah, injil pun surah lusa dia surah maswa aimia. India mari kita sekarang mau tulung saya mau mati, mari sini besar mau nevi India Coast Guard. Dia mau mari angkat dia mia ship.
They had perished from lack of food and water. It is reported that the refugees were refused entry into Bangladesh, forcing them to make their way to Malaysia. Indonesian police urged the refugees on Friday afternoon to return to their boat, which the latter refused. According to a source, the decision if the refugees could land or be sent back out to the sea will come from the national government in Jakarta.
Lapar pun tamo tada minum air pun tada beras pun tada tamo makan kita 1 bulan simia dulu injil pun patah kan boot pun patah kita mau mana pergi apa pun tamo pergi kita macam ini tamo makan tulung le tenggo 1 hari India mia nevi 1 Mario apa hal kita tenggo kita macam kita mau pergi Malaysia kita pun injil pun sudah lusa boot pun sudah patah kita dulu dengan second India pun nevi 1 Maria angkat sini dia tangkap 3 bulan dulu dengan TV Malaysia mia si India mia dulu 5 hari dia tulung belajar boot ini kasih buang awa mana pergi lah saya mau dari sini.
Local resident Azmir Ismail says they approached the refugees boat thinking it was the police.
Waktu sampai ke kapal itu dipikir Sison itu Erud yang kapal itu yang punya kapal ingin bantu Erud sebenarnya kan. Tahu-tahu orang itu langsung loncat ke air semua. Pakai baju itu kan langsung terus loncat ke air. Sison itu kan dibilang kan nggak bisa. Tapi orang itu nggak mau dengar lagi Sison, langsung naik ke Pulau Idaman ini. Ada yang mau itu, ada juga yang ditolong kan nggak bisa berenang kalau udah jatuh ke laut kan nggak mungkin kita nggak tolong lagi orang-orang cewek-cewek itu.
With assistance from the military and local government, the police have taken steps to provide the group with health checks and supply them with food and other essentials. You are watching the Independent Singapore. Subscribe to our channel for more news and documentaries.